So hi ladies, how are you today? This is Kim Brown, your girl. So get out your makeup bags and we're gonna do another option with our fall palette, okay? So if you have not seen this, it is our brand new fall palette, came out in August. I've been using it for a month and a half and have absolutely fallen in love with all the colors. You can use these colors in so many different ways and there's just a lot of options. So today we're gonna do a look and I would love you to come on by. So if you like what you see here today, hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell and you will never miss any of my videos. So if you're ready, grab your makeup bag, let's get going. So I learned this trick. I have to wear glasses for reading, and so sometimes it's hard to put on my makeup, right? I have this little difficulty. I can't always see things as clear as I would like, or as I used to. And so I went to Hubble.com and I got a prescription. Actually, I bought a contact that has prescription size of 1.75 and 2.0. Now, I did those two for two different reasons. One, because the 1.75 is good for like every day. When I was trying to get contacts, they were giving me whatever they call that, so that you can see close and far away at the same time. But they didn't do me any good when I had to read something. So when I read something, I couldn't see anything. I still had to put my glasses on. I thought, this is absolutely ridiculous. So I was told when I made a comment to the doctor that he gave me the highest prescription he could do. And I was like, okay, that's ridiculous. And the other problem I have is my other business, which is swimming pools. I have to deal with finding leaks, and that takes getting down into the water with goggles on, not my glasses, and looking around for specific problems. I wear one contact. And when I'm doing that, I usually can get away with either the 1.75. Sometimes I'll use the 2 if I got a lot of those, just to use them up. It's just they're a little harder to drive with. But it's not any different than doing the lenses that they give us, and I can see what I'm doing. I absolutely love it. So the first thing I do once I get my lotions on is I put my contact in with a clean finger, and then I go ahead and do all my rest of my stuff. So yeah, right now, that's what I got. And so I'm using my our fall palette. I have been wearing the colors in this for the last, well, since I've had it, which has been over a month and a half now. And I absolutely love them. So today I use my Biscotti like I always do. And then I put on the Dream Big Brown as just right here in my crease, because it is a matte color and it's a little bit darker. It doesn't show some of my extra skin that I have. It's actually very good. And then I'm gonna put a nice little sparkle down here, and I'm using the Peach Daydream. It's a mixture of colors. I'm not really good at describing colors unless I go to the paint store when I'm choosing paints, but this color right here, I would call it apricot myself more, because these two here, the Sienna and that one, they have a lot of the same bases in them. So I think that they look really good together when you're doing them. But I am just gonna put that right here, and then I'm gonna follow up with the Golden Possibilities, which is just my gold color, because I love to have a little bit of pretty color sparkle, and that is what I'm going to do right here. I'm going to put that right in the corner, and I think what I'm going to do is, I forgot to put on my eye primer, which I'm noticing right now because it doesn't want to glue on. So now that I'm done with the sparkles, because it likes to do it, I'm going to take and dust off the translucent powder that I put underneath there. And I did that and left it without brushing it for a reason, so that when I got done with my eye color, we could. So now I am going to use our deep brown eyeliner, and I'm going to bring my mirror up just a little bit farther. Now I do have a magnifying mirror that I do, but I don't need it when I have my contact in. I don't wear liner very often because I think it makes my eyes look smaller. So when I do wear it, I use it very, very, very carefully right at the base of my lashes. I don't put it on very thick, and by doing this you will see that my eyes will open right up. So that is that. I'm going to use my cheek colors. My appointment is for 10 and I have to leave here like probably 20 after 9. I got to put a bunch of stuff in my car though because I haven't done this for a while. I also, to pacify my husband, he got hearing aids and I went on lively.com. Can't even see them, and I always thought I could hear fine. I'm not going to say that it was the best because I worked around heavy equipment for 23 years plus. I'm still doing that, and we don't wear hearing protection. Shame on us. Yes, I know. But anyways, with all that said, I will say that these have done me a world of good. I hear things now. I don't talk as loud, which makes Charlie happy because he thinks I talk too loud. And so I'm going to just finish my chin off with our Silky setting powder and my forehead, because those are my little T-zones. That's where I get my oil from, and our oil comes on, and so pretty soon I'm noticing my tan is going fast, which it always does. So those are my colors I've got on. Oh, I didn't tell you my cheek colors. I used 2 of them together. So it is Darling Pink and Rogue Pink. I love those 2 colors. My contour is Latte because it's lighter and it's better for my colored skin. And then I'm using a glazed highlighter, which I put just above and right on my nose. So I'm going to go with my mascara, and I'm going to use this mirror. And the reason I do that is just because I've done it for so many years. It just works. I always curl my lashes. I curl my lashes because they are very short. And I am not going to wear false lashes with this customer because she is more of a minimalist. And I don't need to go in there blazing with my things. Not like I'm going on stage. Besides, my eye color is what I want to show up. I have a product that is called Lash Serum that has been turned into a classic item, and I have some left. I gotta start using it again because I'm noticing, because I wear waterproof mascara a lot when I work outside, so my mascaras don't run, that my lashes are breaking off. And so we just need to give them a little more assistance in their growth period. I started out with washing my face with our Timewise Repair Volume Firm system, and then I go back and forth between our Beige Cool 170 Matte and our Beige Neutral 190. It kind of depends. I noticed the 190 will take this and hides it, but right now it's kind of giving me a little bit of a line, which I absolutely hate when it comes to foundations. I do not want to see my neck and my foundation. If you have to put your foundation all the way down your neck, then you have the wrong color on, I'm sorry to say. And I just used our medium nude lip liner with our Wild About Pink, which I have many of these because this has gone into our classic items. They came out with our fabulous moisturizing lipstick last summer, and that has taken over. I still love this color. It is one of a kind, and it will hydrate your lips throughout the day. So now that my mascara has dried, I am going to go over it with our Lash Intensity, just because it will give them that extra little boost that they need, almost like they're really big long lashes. Noticing that this is a little bit brown for some reason. There we go. So what do you think of that? pencil from back here. Oh, I need my earrings. Hold on. Which earrings shall we put on? That is a question. Should I wear some Olivia Haywards? I think I should. Which ones? Let's see. We've got my floral print on. I know which ones. I'll be right back. These probably aren't available anymore because they go so fast when her earrings, but I had to stop buying them for a while because I was noticing I was getting a little bit too many. And yeah, but they're so lightweight and they're really cool. So ladies, if you liked what you saw here today, definitely go to my website and go in there and click on the fall palette and all of the items that I've listed below that I've worn. Also, if you would love to have a virtual makeup tutorial with me, I can send all the items that you want. I have a little form that you just grab, fill out. I'll list it below. I'll actually put it right here. If I remember, I'll put it right here. And then you can fill out the form. It'll give me all the information. I'll send you a packet. We'll set up a date and we will do this virtually unless we want to meet in person. Okay? And we'll just go through and you can practice in your own bedroom or kitchen or wherever you want to do that. You can practice at the convenience of your home. So ladies, if you liked what you saw, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And I will list 2 new videos for you to watch that go together with what we just finished today. And again, as always, my channel couldn't be my channel without you. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.